everyone, it's Vicki. Welcome to my channel. Happy Saturday, at least at the start of this video. So I saw something that's been very popular online lately, and that is freeze-dried candy. I'm not going to go out and buy my own freeze-dried machine, but I did order some, and I actually ordered quite a bit, but the shipping times are so different on everything that I decided instead of waiting, I would go ahead and open it as it came in and try it as it came in, and then at the end put all the snippets of film together to create one video, because we're probably going to go away for a few days, and it's going to come some of it before that, some of it after. So I thought, you know what, let me just try it, because I know how anxious I am. I've been dying to try this. So I'm going to go ahead and try it, and then I'll just, as other pieces come in, I'll try those. Enough on that. Okay, so I got two here, and I think this is the one that's kind of like Jolly Ranchers. And they're freeze-dried, they puff way up. And this one I think is like Starburst. Pretty much all of these are fruity candies rather than like chocolate candies, although there is one chocolate, I think. Yeah. Oh, it's Now or Later's. And Laffy Taffy. I was completely wrong. Okay. Laffy Taffy. And I love banana Laffy Taffies. So this is by the company Freeze Dried USA. They hand wrote thank you on here. And I got them through Amazon. They may do directly themselves, because some things I got through Ipsy. All right, so let's start with the Laffy Taffy, because I know the banana isn't sour. Once you have some sour in your mouth, you know, it kind of affects other stuff. Yeah, look at, I can smell the banana when I just opened them. Look how big it is. It's puffed up. All right, let's give it a try. You got to hear the crunch effect. This would be good for ASMR, but I don't think I'm going to do that after all. Very crunchy. Still tastes like Laffy Taffy. Banana's the best Laffy Taffy. You know, I think I like the softness of Laffy Taffy. It's part of the thing that I like about it. Three pieces is 110 calories. I'm just sucking on it to see what happens when you get it really wet. It does start to much easier. It's not as hard to chew. A little more falling apart. Definitely does not lose any of the Laffy Taffy flavor. It's just a complete change in the texture. That was good. Yeah, Laffy Taffy candy. It doesn't really say what all the flavors are. Wow, look at the size of this one. That must be I'm guessing a strawberry or something. It's got to be a grape for sure. But is this an apple? I don't know. I'm going to leave those out because I had my fingers on them. And these are all pristine. Guess I want to give them away to somebody. All right. So these are freeze-dried Now or Later's. Now and Later's. I didn't know that I've eaten Now and Later. What do they look like? I don't remember. Oh, they're squares, aren't they? Oh, they smell pretty good. All right, so again, this looks like the same flavors, colors. Purple, green, yellow, and pink. Again, so I'm going to just close the rest of the package that haven't been touched by me. And these are 110 calories for 3. What was this one? 110 calories for 3. All right, so which one should I pick? I do like grape things usually. So let's try them. Not quite as hard. A little bit of tartness. Intense grape. Am I missing out not eating Now and Laters? Quite a bit easier to eat than the Laffy Taffies. A little tartness. When I let the Laffy Taffy sit in my mouth and kind of sucked on it and forced liquid into it or whatever, and it got a little bit softer, it was more like this. Definitely just crunchy still, but not quite as hard. Or maybe this was just the size of these. Ooh. Some bites are really tart. I didn't know Now and Laters were tart. So they must be like Starburst. I don't know. That's really, really intense flavor. I think the Laffy Taffy tasted pretty much the same as they do in a candy. These Now and Laters are super intense. So I don't know if that candy is just more intense or if the freeze drying did that to it. But all right, that's what I have now. There's more on the way. Okay, same day, much later, the mailman came. So now I have new freeze-dried stuff. This first one was from Freeze Dried USA, and I'll put prices and information either down below or in the comments. Next one just came in is from JAB Sweet, or Jab Sweet. It's capital J, capital A, capital B Sweet. So what do we get? We got some saltwater taffy and peppermint. That's when I had to pick out the flavor. Peppermint's my favorite when I do that. And then these, I think, were a Nerd's Rope. All the little pieces have fallen off mostly. And then, on top of that, they gave a free sample of Wild Berry Fruity Crunches. I'm going to guess that these are Skittles. I did order some Skittles, so. Alright, so I'm going to start with the Nerd Ropes. Or, does it tell me? Nerd Gummy Clusters. That's what it is, not the rope. Now, most of the little things have fallen off, so I'm going to get one that has it. Ooh, they smell good. These have the best crunch. These are great. Yeah. The difference in these is they're not hard crunch. They're like pork rinds. No, they're more like cheese balls. Yeah, nice. These are from Iowa, JAB Sweets. Just in case I missed the other one. The first two. That is so good. Well, that's hard not to eat a bunch of those. They have that addictive crunchy. All right, I'm trying to get into the... Can't do it. I'm going to have to open this one. The sample pack doesn't seem to have a tear line because it's a little package. Let's see. Doesn't say anything about them. The Skittles come in blue. I'm going to try a red one. Oh yeah, because you know what? It still has the S on it from a Skittle. Wow. You know what? Wow. That is an intensified Skittle flavor. I mean, take a Skittle. Wow. That's amazing. I'll try a blue one too. There's a blue one. Not nearly as much as the red. That red was amazing. So intense flavor. Good. So far though, I'm sticking with these as being my very favorite. A Laffy Taffy was a hard one. So let's try the peppermint. Nice palate cleanser to end this part of it. Wow, look how big they are. Now these feel powdery. They smell so good. But it is saltwater taffy. Okay. They melt away. I'll have another one. I love peppermint. I didn't even chew it. Peppermint definitely tastes like peppermint saltwater taffy, where it's, you know, a little bit lighter peppermint. And I even get a little taste of salt, actually, which I don't usually get in saltwater taffy, even though I should. That's delish. Yeah. I don't know. These are pretty awesome. I think I'm going to end with one of these. I don't know. That's good. They're all good. They're just intense flavors. All right. We'll see what tomorrow brings. Yeah, the mailman came. This morning it was, I don't know, UPS or something. And then the mailman just came and brought these. So I'm going to end on this. So good. Okay, well, I was wrong. I did have another box. And it is from Round Barn Candies. And these are freeze-dried Twix. I knew I got one thing in chocolate, but I couldn't remember what it was. So this will be very interesting. It smells good. I don't know if it smells like a Twix. Oh, they're automatically melting on my fingers because I'm in Florida. These were being carried around a milk cart. Oh, look, there's the crunchy part. I think that's what this is. Twix is the one with the little cookie, right? I think that's it. Okay. Tastes like Twix, only maybe a little better. Because Twix are a little too sweet for me, and this has changed that a little bit. Okay, so I think this big puffy part here is the caramel, and then the chocolate is sparse in comparison to that, and then that's the cookie. That was really good. I don't think the cookie changed at all. Maybe it's a little bit bigger. I like that the caramel's not, you know, everywhere or sticking to my teeth. And yeah, I like those. Those are good. I'll eat a Twix. It's not my favorite candy bar. Actually, I'm not that much of a candy bar person. I like these fruity ones like the earlier ones. But it's probably number 6 or 7 on my list of candy bars, or number 5 at least. But those were good. Those are better than a regular Twix. All right, so now I'm going to say I'm going to take a break until another day or two when another mailman comes. Apparently, I dropped some Twix or something, and someone's down there eating them. See you soon.